Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the cannot get mail, the mail server is not responding error on your iPhone. This is a common issue, but don't worry, I'll walk you through some quick and effective solutions to get your mail app working again. Let's jump right into it. Solution 1. Check mail server settings. If you've recently updated your password or switched accounts, incorrect server settings can cause this error. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Mail. Then tap on Accounts. Select your email account. Tap on Account again to view the server settings. Double-check the incoming mail server and outgoing mail server. Solution 3. Remove and re-add your email account. Sometimes the easiest fix is to simply remove and re-add the email account. Go to Settings on your iPhone. Then tap on Mail. Now tap on Accounts. Tap on the email account causing the issue. Select Delete Account, then Confirm. Once removed, tap Add Account, choose your email provider, and re-enter your login details. Don't worry, this won't delete your emails if they're synced via IMAP. And that's it. Hopefully one of these solutions helped you fix the cannot get mail issue on your iPhone. If it worked for you, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might find it helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.